Is my head like extra large? Do I even have a blow dryer? Pull up in Sri Lanka. What? What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm T. Welcome to T-ville, and I hope you enjoy your stay. It is entirely, oh my gosh, he wants all the attention. It's 8:40 in the morning, so I'm about to get up and we're going to head to the nail salon. Okay, let's get this day started. Hi, do you have 2 spots open for pedicures? Now? Okay, thank you. Okay. But y'all, I'm nervous. I've never gotten a French tip before. Thank you. Have a good day. Do I look good today? Yeah. Yeah.
What did she say?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I got something to say and then I'm gonna be done with it. Boohoo. Count your days, because where's my package? Where is my package? Boohoo man, to be exact. Where is my package? Where are my clothing? Right now, I'm deep conditioning my hair. I'm gonna probably keep it off for about 30 minutes. It's been about 20. I got like 10 more minutes left. Y'all, let me put on a bunny because I got my cornrows in. So, remember earlier, I was like, hold on. So remember earlier, I was like, Boohoo can run me like one because where's my package? I checked the mail and my package came. Cargo pants. And I got a flannel. I'm gonna do a little try on haul with these at the end. So that means that you got to stay to the end of this video if you want to see what I got from Boohoo. Y'all, I ain't gonna email y'all no more. Y'all ain't gotta run my one no more because my package came in. Let's get into this install. Don't mind this bleach stain. I got my cornrows in. I'm looking like Bow Wow. I'm gonna take the Haitian black castor oil and I'm just gonna oil my scalp real quick. I want to start by saying I am a beginner. Like, I done put on wigs before, but I'm a beginner. So don't come for me. Just, you know, let me take these guys. Don't be trying to come for me. Just give me some pointers or something. You feel me? So basically, I didn't bleach the knots of this wig because I just don't want to mess it up. Christmas is in 4 days. I don't have time to mess up this wig. I'm going to put the link to this wig in the description down below. So here is how the wig comes. Non-sponsored. FalaFala Hair or FalaFala, I don't know. This is the company. Again, not sponsored, but y'all can. Wig cap, and then it also came with lashes. Here's the wig. She's from FalaFala Hair, FalaFala, and it's the 28-inch body wave, 150 density, 13x4 frontal. And I got it off Amazon. The link for this wig will be in the description down below. I can tell you right now, these knots aren't bleached, and I'm not about to bleach them. The hairline is pre-plucked though. They pre-plucked it pretty well, I think. Is it, y'all? I don't fucking know. She's cute. She's lovely. I have some lace tint. I also have some concealer. I don't know what I need to put on this lace in order for it to look like scalp, but I'm gonna be back once I figure it out. I have no idea what I'm doing. I be seeing that people don't be beating this thing. They be using a little brush. How does it look? Does it look like a scalp? Scent help somebody.
ASAP.
Okay, let's try this. Let's try to use this.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Alright, that's fine. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna figure it out and it's gonna look good in the end. So we're finna thug it out. Let me turn on some music and focus. Honestly, in my opinion, bleach knots can either make or break you. And it's breaking me right now, and I didn't even bleach them. You know what I'm saying? Trust the process. That's what I'm going to go with, because that's what makes me feel much better. Trusting the process. Yeah. Trust the process, trust the process. Maybe I'm actually doing something, like, maybe I am doing a damn thing and I really think I'm not, but I really am. You know? The world is full of maybes, so it's okay.
This shit is hard.
Oh god. Okay. Okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. So here is what I did. Wait, is it dry? Can I put it on my head? I don't know. Do I even have a blow dryer? I don't know. Should I do all that extra or just be regular? I think I just want to do the extra. These scissors suck. Oh! Perfect eye hole. Man, y'all ain't got nothing on me. What you saying? What you saying? Got the ear hole. Damn, I got some big ears. The hell? Who's gonna tell me? Ooh, okay. Okay. Okay, let me focus. I hope in the end I make both of us proud, because I'm going through it right now. Oh, the bald cap is on. Yeah. Trust the process. Trust the process. Let's give it up for this hair again because it's beautiful. I just don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So I'll be back when I pluck it somewhere. How did I do? Did I do okay? I think it's looking. I think I did good. Don't cut the hair, T. Y'all can't tell me Nathan. What? Pull up in the Sri Lanka. What? What's everybody sad about? In the group chat. What's everybody sad? Oh. Thank you for that. Happy. Aw. So cute. I'm just trying to get sponsored by companies. Like, y'all come through to your girl because I'm gonna slay this wig, honey. You want to see if your wig can be slayed by a beginner? Send them to me. I already feel it. I just know I'm finna burn myself. Oh my god, I hate these things. Who? LOL. Stop playing. I'll do 2 layers and I'll be back. I don't have an elastic band. I know the elastic band is what we're doing now, but I don't have one. I'm gonna take it off. The whole wig is about to come off. The whole damn wig. I ain't gonna cap. I've been going through it. I got so mad. I took a food break and I was stress eating. I got so dang mad. I don't know how to do the part. And then the baby hairs also. I don't know. But we finna just finish this up, okay? Yeah, that's how it's looking. Y'all, this hair is so soft. Somebody calling me no caller ID. That's annoying. Y'all need to grow up. Seriously. We grown as hell. Why y'all calling me no caller ID for? We're grown. Stop playing with me. That's annoying. I done did all I can do. Do you hear me? I done did all I can do at this point. It's time for the big reveal. Da, 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 da. I told y'all to trust the process. Oh, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Look at that, watch this. Watch how it come down and it just Woof. Honey, I told y'all that I was gonna give y'all a little haul from what I got from Boohoo. I only got 2 things, so here's what I promised. First things first, this flannel I saw on somebody on Instagram that I fell in love with. I got it in a size medium. This thing is dope. Look at the back. This is why I got it. Oh, isn't that pressure? Come on. Just imagine it with the right color top or like a cute crop top. And in the back, these chocolate cargo pants. They're the fixed waistband relaxed fit cargo. I got it in a size medium. Are 2 cute. What? Look, and they fit just right. I got a size medium, and this is how they fit me. This is the space I have, but I like the way they fit. That's how it looks in the back. Yeah, yay. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you made it all the way to the end, comment down below, trust the process. So I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And again, if you made it this far in the video, comment below, trust the process, okay? Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. It will be linked in the description down below. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Fist pump, boom.